Come on, man. Are you okay? Oh! Come on! Man, you gotta... Come on. You gotta stay focused and beat the hell out of this guy, okay? Because he's a nobody, okay? He's a nobody. Oh, shit. Oh, what the hell? Oh! Oh, shit.
What's going on with you, Brennan? I'm waiting for the answer. Just go and talk with your girl and ask him what's going on. If you don't want him to hit you in the middle of your head. Yeah. Is that what you were planning, huh? Let's enjoy the party. Woo!
Wait a minute. Come on, you bastard. Come on, you son of a bitch. Come on. Yep. Come on, man. You got it right now. You got it. Come on, man. Come on, you got it now. You got it. Yeah. Come on. Power bomb him. Power bomb him. Yeah, come on. Now the power bomb. Yeah. Body slam. Yeah. Oh. You got it. Get him in the ring and pin him. Get it. Come on. How's it like now, huh? Yeah. Where's the man? Where's the man? Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Come on. Come on, animal, you can do it. Son of a bitch. No! Damn it! Damn it! This can't be happening. Come on. Shit. Come on, kick out, man. Kick out. Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm
What are you
counting.
doing?
I am trying to count. I just had something in my eye, okay? I just was trying to get it out. Come on. I'm doing my job. You just shut your mouth, you son of a bitch. Over there. Yeah. Switch his ankle. Switch his ankle. Break it. Break it. Son of a bitch. Come on, down.
You bastard!
Yeah, I'm a son of a bitch. Just like you bastard. The career is over. No. Come on, man.
Okay. Okay.
No. You can't stop.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Come on. No. Oh, shit. Come on.
Come on, man.
No. You gotta be happy. Yeah, baby. You're the man. That's right. 1, 2. Shit. Come on, pin him. I got it. 1, 2. Oh, shit. You son of a bitch. Oh. Come on. You got it now. Come on, beat the hell out of him. I gotta fix this thing up. Yeah. You got it. Got it, man. He's done. Now finish him up. You can't do it, man. Finish him up. Yeah. Come on. You got it, baby. Yeah. I am absolutely loving this. This is the end of Killer Joseph. Nobody can save him now. From the nasty punks and Abreu. Come on, man. You can beat him. Come on. Are you okay? Come on, man. Just get right there. Come on. That's right. No. You're not just going to do that, okay? No way.
You know very well what's going to happen.
No way you can do that, okay? Never. No. Oh, fuck. Oh, Come on. 1, 2, 3. It's over. You can't get up, man. Come on. Get up. You can't do it. Come on, man. Come on. You can do it, man. Get up. Oh, come on. Come on.
Oh shit, man!
It's done! All right. You got it. 1, 2. What?
What the hell?
Just son of a bitch!
not die for me.
Finish you up. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Come on. No. You're going to power bomb him now. Power bomb. I want it. Get off with your hands, you know, Justin. Come on. Oh. Power bomb. Come on. Get him up. In the power bomb, damn it. Yeah. Finish his career. Finish his career just like you did with Johnny Payne. Yeah. Oh. Beat him now. Beat him. Yeah. Just 1, 2, 3. Yeah. A winner of this bout, Abreu. Your career is over. Yeah, come on, man. This night was my night.